Isang app para sa mga padede moms tayo yan.
Yes.
I was a padede mom. Ikaw din naman, di ba? Malaki na kasi si si Erin. Anyway, isa sila sa mga sumali sa proyekto ng PLDT and Smart Innovation Grant
wow!
Program. 2020 pa yan, ha? Nagsimula. At bukod sa grant, nagbibigay din sila ng lectures, workshop, mentoring sessions sa mga sasaling innovators dito.
Oo, isa nga sa kanilang mga naging participant na nag-benefit sa project na ito ay makakasama natin dito po sa studio. Let us welcome Engineer Dennis R. De La Cruz, Associate Professor ng College of Engineering sa Bulacan State University. Hello, Engineer!
Good morning.
Wait, bago ang lahat, nakasama ako sa isang pitching. Yan, kasama nila MVP. Sobrang
Na-witness
tight.
mo?
Oo, parang nakakatakot, no? Parang ka nagtithesis defense.
Parang Shark Tank.
Actually, mga student ko po yung kasali nun. So, I'm the mentor. So, medyo may work lang po sila ngayon. Kaya ako po yung nag-represent dun sa team.
My gosh! Pero hindi ba kinabahan yung mga estudyante? Kasi di ba sila, diretso, parang numbers, stats.
Yeah, exactly.
Numbers, stats, anong mga to sa lipunan, anong magagawin. Sabi ko, magpi-PR na lang po ako. So parang ginagawa ko siyang balita. Buti na lang reporter ako.
Oo, hirap
Parang,
pala.
Oo, kasi sabihan, stats,
Oo.
for the population, what will this benefit, ganyan. Ay,
So talaga
ba?
you should really know. Tsaka mahal, di ba, magkaroon ng app?
Yes po. Pero, yun na, with the support of the PLDT Smart Innovation Grant, so nagkaroon naman po kami ng financial support to develop the prototype.
That is awesome. So, what do you offer?
Ah,
MVP. What do you offer?
What do you offer?
MVP.
So, initially po, yung application talaga is to digitize yung breast milk sharing. Pero upon validation with the stakeholders, nakafocus po tayo ngayon on empowering yung ating mga mothers to provide po breast milk on their mga babies
Siyempre,
po.
mga engineer, matitikas yan. Pa 90% male-dominated. Ba't naman padede, pagpapadede sa mga bata, ang topic na naisip ninyo?
Actually, this is a personal, parang encounter ko before. So, parang minapanood ako isang segment sa television na isang father na matay yung wife niya. So, parang napangako niya dun sa wife niya before mamatay na kailangan breastfeed
Oh,
yung
wow.
baby.
The power of stories.
Yeah. Kasi parang yung una nilang baby, I think masakitin kasi hindi na breastfeed. So, parang napangako niya dun sa wife niya for the second baby, kailangan ma-breastfeed yung baby.
But unfortunately, the wife.
Yeah. So, parang naghanap siya ng mga pwede niyang kuhanan na breast milk around the area. So, parang naisip ko, what if maraming may ibang problem na ganito? Paano sila nakakakuha
Sobrang
ng...
dami may problem na ganyan.
Yes, exactly.
Were you personally breastfed by your mom?
Yes. So, that's why medyo advocacy ko po siya. Parang na-breastfeed ako until more than 2 years old siguro.
Talagang may personal experience
Yes.
talaga
That's
siya.
good, that's good. Kaya naging engineer ka ngayon. Dahil sa breast milk na nanay mo.
Matalino.
For sure.
Oo, di ba? Kaya buong-buo daw yung brain cells niya. Ako kasi hindi masyad. Kaya the gift of gab. Charot! Gusto mo yan ba?
Hindi para matalino na ganyan, napakatalino na
Oh,
kato.
thank you. Hindi,
Brilliant.
alam mo, maparaan. Ibang intelligence yun, maparaan. Gagawa natin ng gagawa natin ng
Madiskarte.
pinto. Oo,
So
ganyan.
ito, coming from a man like you,
Yeah.
dito ako natutuwa, di ba? Can you explain how the app will help mga padede moms?
Yeah.
Paano pa makakatulong?
So actually yung application is composed of at least for now yung 3 major features niya is una on the breast milk sharing. So they need just to register, then answer the form kung pwede silang mag-donate, then or mag-share. Mag-donate or share or pwedeng mag-request. So ng breast milk. Then from there, so once na okay, so pwede na pong i-pick up ng partner natin from around the area. Kasi initially ngayon sa Cagayan de Oro namin, ini-initiate yung program kasi merong isang magandang breast milk support system na nandun. So once na ma-pick up yung breast milk, so kailangan i-process sa human milk bank kasi to prevent yung kung spoilage nung breast milk. Then other option is pwede silang mag-request ng lactation support kasi ang gusto namin ngayon is actually to minimize yung sharing hanggat maaari. Pero meron talaga kasi pagkakataon na hindi maiwasan eh. So, kung kaya mag-breastfeed nung mother, so kung nahihirapan man, so meron pong pwedeng mahinga ng support. May mga
May
lactation
videos ba dyan na pwede na
Yes, so
panoorin
may-
para maparaming production
Yes,
ng milk?
pwede rin din pong mga pwedeng basahin na mga articles.
Ngayon, itong app na
nice.
to, until ano na yung napapagana nyo sa kanya? Ano
Ah,
na yung pwedeng ma-access ng mga nanay?
Yeah, for now is more on the registration pa lang kasi yung buong process of sharing up to makapag-request is still on process of development po ng team.
When do you plan to launch it?
So hopefully early next year, first quarter of next year, meron na pong complete transaction within the application.
And speaking of transaction, makikita ko may mga 10% service charge,
Yeah.
transfer of funds. Ano yung binabayaran doon? Magkano yun?
Kasi for now, yung manual talaga of requesting breast milk is meron talagang payment yon kasi for the processing. So more or less, yun din po yung i-request namin for the user just to sustain yung operation nung team. So, yun
How
po.
much ba talaga to operate or to run an app? Parang ganun. May million ba yan?
Wala naman po. So, mga 1,000. So, it depends kung ano yung
Capacity ng
capacity
app.
ng team to develop the app.
Buti
Ayan.
na may PLDT, no?
Yeah.
Sagot ng
Oo.
PLDT lahat.
Yung unang prototype developed namin is under the innovation grant ng
How much
PL.
is the grant ngayon? No?
I think at least 100,000 peso.
Enough to start
Yeah.
na. Pero libre ba yung pag-download ng app?
Yeah, of course. Libre po 'yon. So,
Forever libre.
Yes, mag-register for free, ma-download yung mga articles for education on breastfeeding. So, free po 'yon. So, not until mag-transact ka po for the sharing.
Yung sa milk.
Yeah. So, that's for may
Pero
fee na po
milk
yan.
in itself, walang bayad.
Yeah, wala po.
It's the processing.
The processing.
Parang sa dugo lang. Sa
Yeah.
Red Cross, ganun eh. Akala ng mga tao, binabayaran nila yung
Yes.
dugo. Hindi.
Na.
It's the lab works,
Yeah.
ganyan, yung processing fee.
Exactly.
Okay.
I love that. Please
Diba?
promote. Paano ba to? Pwede na ba ma-download? Abangan kailan? Saan sila pwede mag-sign up?
Yeah. So for now, still under development yung application. So we are still developing the prototype with our partners po, no, the Modern Nanays of Mindanao in Cagayan de Oro City. So we will hopefully launch it early next year. So yun po. We're also looking for different partners with regards to empowering the breastfeeding communities in the Philippines.
Sana yung local government.
Yeah,
Yun agad. Kasi
yeah.
sila yung pinaka may kailangan.
Yes po.
Yung mga nanay doon.
Yeah. CDO LGU po is part of our partners in CDO. So, kasama po namin sila during our soft launch
Galing.
last year in Cagayan de Oro.
Galing. So, maganda sa app, nationwide,
Yes.
no?
Oo. And of course,
Worldwide pa
bukod
nga.
dito sa financial grant, ano yung mga nakuha yung suporta from PLDT Smart?
During our soft launch in Cagayan de Oro City po last year, so nandun po ang PLDT Smart to provide logistics po, logistical support.
Malaking bagay yun.
Yes po.
Logistics, di ba?
The venue,
Oo.
yung mga...
Dahil mahal
yeah,
yan.
Exactly. So hanggang ngayon, tinutulungan pa naman po kami ng PLDT and Smart.
Kayo lang ba nabigyan ng grant? O
Hindi po.
marami kayo?
Every year po, merong run si PLDT and Smart on Innovation Generation po yung program nila. So, they are choosing number of teams all around the country po for different university. So, they provide po funds to initially develop, yung prototype development po. Nagbibigay po sila ng grant. So, I think they are on their 4th season now. So, yeah. Actually, gusto ko din pong invite. Hopefully, in the future po, yung mga nakakapakinig po, no, they can join the program. So,
How?
Meron pong mga, they can visit po ang Smart Innovation Generation Facebook page or website po siguro ng Smart. So, meron po sila mga announcement po doon.
Thank you so much, Engineer
Oo.
Dennis mula sa Bulacan State University.
And once it's up and running, once na-launch
Yeah.
na yung app, please come back. Baka pwede na isama yung mga
Oo,
estudyante.
para,
Sure.
oo, para
Testingin natin,
ma-test
diba? Ma-test natin.
natin.
Yes po.
mismo.
Correct.
And
And we will
maybe,
talk about it.
diba?
We
Yes
will
po.
talk about it.
Again.
This is, I hope dumami partners nyo
Apo.
Yeah.
for the betterment
Diba?
of
Yes
everything.
po. Thank
Kumbaga, we need the tech. We
Yes.
need the tech.
Yeah, we'll
Thank
see
you for
again next
creating the
year.
tech. Yes. See you early next year.
Thank you, Engineer Dennis. Ito. At
Nasa fourth season
Season
na po
na.
ang proyektong ito ng PLDT
Dito pa rin
and
pala.
Smart. This time, ganap naman ay para sa mga kapatid nating PWD. Nakipag-partner din po sila sa National Council of Disability Affairs. Open po ito no, sa lahat ng senior high school, vocational, undergraduate at graduate students. Edad 15 to 25 po for this project. Dapat lang din ay naka-enroll po kayo sa school year 2024 to 2025. And kung gusto nyo pa po na mas maraming detalye, Sweep Facebook page lang po ang puntahan ninyo. Sweep Facebook page. Ayan po.